Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to whip up a delicious omelet that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. So, let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: eggs, milk, salt, pepper, and your favorite fillings. We're using mushrooms, onions, and spinach today. Start by whisking together the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Then, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a bit of butter to the pan, and once it's melted, pour in the egg mixture. Now, it's time to add your fillings. Sprinkle the mushrooms, onions, and spinach evenly over the omelet. Let it cook for a few minutes, until the eggs are set and the fillings are cooked. And there you have it, a scrumptious omelet, ready to be devoured. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using #OmeletteRecipe. Thanks for joining us, and remember to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.